Ordinary-looking daily necessities are actually a lucrative bestseller enjoyed quietly by the industry that is pop-up silicone oil paper. Featured with innovative positioning, it faces far less market competition than other pop-up paper products and boasts a much higher profit margin. The client accurately captured this market opportunity. Having learned that we are the original manufacturer of pop-up silicone oil paper folding machine, they made a special trip to our factory for an on-site inspection. Our pop-up silicone oil paper folding machine supports multi-row simultaneous production. The finished product width can be set to 6, 8, 10, 12 inches and other custom sizes, with a standard and folded length of 10.75 inches. It is applicable to raw materials including 2850G wax paper, silicone oil paper, baking paper and craft paper. The machine is integrated with marker insertion counting and perforation cutting functions. Only one operator can easily finish material arranging and carton packing. Our new fully automatic production line is about to be launched. Stay tuned.